got all the things to make the viral boat lunch sandwiches, so we're gonna make them today. Tag the girl who made these in the comments. I believe it's Keely. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm gonna make 2 of these. Our balanced mission tortillas. 2 Laughing Cow cheese. I bought the spicy pepper jack. Spread them out. Ham. I just realized I opened the turkey. I bought ham and turkey. Or I guess I'm going with the turkey. Pickles. Bread and butter pickles. Another slice of ham or turkey in this case. We're gonna roll it. Bye. And then roll it in the paper towel. I'm told in her original video, you put them in the fridge for a little bit and let the flavors marinate. So it's about 11 now, so we'll put these in the fridge and we'll test them out after.
It's squeezing my head.